Okay, so now one of the things that I'm going to share is actually Zoe, our data analyst. And what I'm going to do, there's another business that I'm involved in, and I'm actually going to take some feedback that we received from a class that basically went through our website and essentially did a review of our website. So I'm going to ask Zoe, can you provide a summary of the attached and include key insights, stats, and recommendations based on the website survey results? So now all I've done is literally just I took what was just a Excel sheet. And one of the things that you're going to notice right here is it's already started to create not only the data summary, but it's now going through and it's also creating graphs based on that information. So there were 27 participants, first impressions. Many respondents were initially confused about the purpose. They felt it was artistic and colorful visuals, but didn't immediately convey that the site was selling tea and coffee. Usability of the website was generally positive, with most scores ranging 7 to 9 out of 10. Likes, the cultural representation and unique branding. Dislikes, many felt there was too much text on the homepage, so really good feedback. Then you get into the visualizations, and so now you're looking here at the different versions. So where are we in terms of 5? Being not necessarily interested, going all the way up into interested. So this is really really interesting. So the whole notion now in terms of actionable insights, website purpose clarity. So it's not immediately clear. The content balance, there needs to be a balance of cultural storyteller with product information. Many users felt there's too much text on the homepage. Visual appeal versus product focus. Usability strengths. The website's navigation layout was generally well received. Purchase intent gap, though. So again, even though this isn't focused on automotive, this is really, really good in terms of being able to show you can just start to download all sorts of different pieces of information, including research that you may have done. So now it also provided recommendations, clarify the website purpose, add a clear, prominent headline, optimize the content, enhance product visibility, improve visual storytelling, strengthen call to action, make shop now buttons more prominent, user experience enhancements, and increase white space between sections to improve readability, product information, more details about tea and coffee flavors, and social proof. So things like incorporating customer testimonials. So wanted to be able to share how Zoe, our data analyst, very, very quickly by just uploading just the raw information in terms of the results, is able to provide a really, really good summary.